Well, this is the island where we're going this morning, and yeah, I'm on the back of the ship here, so I don't know if I can get it all in. There's some of our zodiacs going over there, and the island is all the way around on the other side of the ship there too there. But all right, here we go. Yeah, here's the other side of the ship, so you can see the rest of the island. We're going to be landing somewhere over there, but as we go along here, yeah, you see it goes all the way down to the end there. Okay, come back here. So we're going to be going today. Okie doke. Let's get rolling. We're going up on the beach here. Everybody's welcoming us here. We're going to get hello, oh, beans here, thank you so much here, thank you all, thank you. And these are the trucks that we're going to take the 4x4s. They've got them all decorated up here with flowers. They got some up there too. So we're going to be heading up there. And who knows where we're going to be going, up in that area here. So, okay. Okay, we're heading out in our convoy. You can see all the vehicles in front of us here. So there's always safety in numbers. So I think we'll be okay here. And there's the ship out there. Yeah, nice day, very warm. We're still going up. I didn't put my wind thing on the camera, but there's only so much I can remember every day. So I get a little wind noise there, but yeah, climbing up higher and higher here. Yeah, coming up here to see some different things here. We shall see. This is like the museum here. We're going to go inside here, all right. Hello. All different types of artifacts here. These shells that are carved here. Little tiny ones here. Bonjour. Oh, big turtle there. And go in some of the rest of the museum here. And pretty high up here. So you can see everybody resting over there. That was the gift shop back here. Some nice carvings there and everything. Oh, look at this big carving here. Watch my step. Oh, look at this guy here. Yeah.
Inside for the ship and after Huka for all the petrol
here.
I bring somebody to
got like a little hut here, everything in there, boats. This is food preparation here. That's what the sign says, food preparation. Oh, in there, yeah. Look at that. Come up here. And more with the food preparation, I guess, in here too. Yeah. Here's a better view of the food preparation thing. They got the fire there, a couple pits, things for making, I don't know what, stews or whatever, your pots, your baskets over there. And for grinding stuff, they had a grinding stone over on the other side there. So yeah, all right. Well, I'm doing a little walkabout outside the museum here. I have to put the name of the island down here. I lose track of where I am and what I'm doing. Ah, there's the museum right there. That's what it says. Hey, we can walk right up here and get a better close-up shot of it here. And it says museum, community museum, de Wahuna. And we got a nice big stone carving there. All plants and everything nicely decorated here. The palm trees. Yeah. We're going to look around some of these thatched huts here. Here it looks like they got a ceremonial ground here, which they could have ceremonies in here. People sit in the shade on either side, come down from the top up there. Yeah, look at that. And we got at least there's a little breeze up here. Very hot, very hot. You got that? I've never seen one like this here. This stone jobby. Yeah. All right. Let's see what's shaking over here. Get the shade for a few minutes here. There's the ocean out there. Great Pacific. And that's the airport over there. You can see right over there, you can see the windsock. There is an airport there. So that's always good. And there's steps. I'm not going up there. But we'll see here. Oh, we're inside. And it's nice, a nice breeze blowing through here in the shade. It's actually quite pleasant. And the roof here. And there's the other one over there. I'm going to play a little tune here for you here. Not much. Doing. We're here at the Arboretum here. So, well, the rest of the group went way down there. For me, my back is hurting, so I'm not going to walk down there. There's some trees and different things, but not like Longwood Gardens or anything there. So, got a few happy snaps of a few flowers. So, I think I did okay. I think after this we're going to go somewhere where we're going to listen to some music. That sounds pretty interesting. So I think I want to find a bench and park my butt down there. Okay. Now we're heading back from the Arboretum and going down this windy road here. You see a little things from outside there. Looks like it's mostly downhill. So we might be heading back down toward the harbor here maybe. Looks like a little beach we're passing by here. Nice sandy area here. Slopes in nicely there. Nobody out there, but it must be low tide. So,
I want to go swimming. Me too.
I don't know, we're stopping here, so we're making a U-E. Making a U-E here. Have a look-see here of this beach here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, a nice little view here and everything. And in between the two rocks out there. Yeah, we're still in the vehicle here, so you hear the waves coming in. Very nice. We got the goats out here now. They all have their lunch and breakfast. Mamas and papas there. Okay. There's the great ocean there. Oh, look at that blue ocean. Don't see any ships out there. Nothing there. Take a little curve up ahead here. Oh, this is the other end of the airport here. You can see the windsock down there. Looks like the runway 09. Uapo. Well, it's going to be a little breezy here because I don't have the cushion, but we just stopped at a little scenic lookout here. See all the ocean out there. And we came from over there. You can still see the vehicles coming up. There's the airport over there. So yeah, there it is. Well, up on the hill there's a little shrine. I'm not going to walk up there because it's steep. My back is hurting me. But it looks like a shrine to the Blessed Mother or Our Lady of something or other there. I'm not sure. But it's right along the road. And a car going by me. If we come around the other side, this is where the scenic lookout is here. And there's all of our people over there. So I can go across the street here without being hit and come back up to the other side, and there you can have another look at the shrine up there. Yeah. Well, I believe today is the 13th of February 2025, and it's a Thursday, and we're taking a little break here at a scenic spot. I'll put all the details at the bottom of the screen here so you know where I am. And yeah, take a look back there. Yeah, and one man travel, hot days here, nice little breeze here on the side of the hill. And hope you subscribe because there's lots of videos. Got over 1,200 videos on this channel from all around the world. So if you're interested in going somewhere, I probably have a video of it that might help you then. So subscribe and you won't miss any videos then. All right, my friends, I'll see you later. Take good care. All right, bye-bye. There's the Orion down there. Yeah, it's our ship. There it is. Waiting for us there. Visit this other village here. It's real skinny, tall palms. Church school or something.